The closed trade block found in the Trading Action section on the left side of our Builder menu allows us to close an ongoing trade. The block is used to close existing positions or to close partial trades. This is one of the simplest blocks to use and understand its functioning. Upon opening it, we immediately see that it offers two different options. The first one, Close Trade, completely closes the operation without leaving any position open. The second one, Close Partial, allows closing a specific portion of the operation, leaving the rest of the position open. In this case, we can choose the mode of partial closure. We can choose to use fixed pips or percent lots. The second option allows selecting the quantity of lots or its percentage. For example, if we have a trade of 1 lot, we can close 0.50 lots, leaving the remaining 0.50 lots open. Similarly, if we choose the percent lots option and input 50, it will close 50% of the current operation. Here are some practical examples we can do with the closed trade block. In the first case, suppose we have open buy positions. We use the candle pattern block to define a bearish candle, and when the block is activated, we connect the closed trade block, set to Close Trades, to close all positions. So, in this case, every time we have a bearish candle, we will close all open positions. In the second example, if we have open sell positions, and our condition is met, in this case, if the profit of our account is greater than 10, we will close a partial of the trade using the closed trade block, set to Close Partial. The mode is percent lots, and we have entered the value 50. So if our trade is 0.10 lots and our condition is met, we will close a partial of 0.05 lots, which is 50% of the position. In conclusion, the closed trade block is essential in algorithmic trading, allowing for the complete or partial closure of positions based on market conditions. It provides flexibility and precision, aiding in the creation of effective and adaptable automated strategies.